A very good morning to all. We, the students of Keval Vidyalaya number 4, Ambala, Kent, are here to present our project. Today, I am Varsha with my team members Madhu, Raj, Sohail, and Isha. Together, we'll be sharing our thoughts and research on this topic. Self-charging autonomous patrolling drone with admin control, also an auto-rotate generation app. To wrap things, here's a brief summary of what we have learned today. Now modern surveillance depend on which is time consuming and risky. Our project solved this with a self-changing autonomous choosing that patrols areas without human help. It uses an app to plan routes, directs low battery outcuts to charge and resume work. Automatically is making almost fully self-sufficient. Now let us move on the next slide. Problem statement. The main function we address is creating a drone that can patrol automatically and recharge itself, measuring continuous duration with high efficiency and very little human involvement. Objectives. To develop a mobile app allows secure admin only. To enable automatic to test and self-overchanging functionality. To implement the video streaming, location tracking and obstacle avoidance. To make a cost-effective and efficient solution for security and monitoring. Now let's move forward with this topic and my teammate will take through the next slide.
And here comes the next topic, working principle. Firstly, the first admin selects an area on the app and the drone follows the set path using GPS and sensors. Second one, it streams live videos for real-time monitoring. Third one, when the battery is low, it returns to the dock and charges itself automatically and continue patrolling. The fourth one, only the admin can control or step the drone through the secure app. And here comes the next topic, secure system architecture. Our system has 4 modules. First one, the module handles flight and navigation. And the second one, the docking station, charges itself wirelessly. And the third, last one, the mobile app manages area selection and admin control. The cloud module stores logs, videos and analysis. Now, my team member will take over to explain the next topic.
Here is the advantages. Our drone offers fully automatic self-charging operation, reducing manual work and supervision. It's constitute effective, energy efficient, provide real-time monitoring, secure admin control and enables continuous 24/7 patrolling with minimal downtime. The next topic is applications. Military and border surveillance, forest monitoring and wildlife protection, disaster management and rescue operations, industrial plant and factory security, agricultural land and irrigation inspections. At this point, I would like to invite my next teammate for another topic.
What's our future scope? So in the future, we plan to add solar charging for sustainability, use AI for object detection, enable multi-drone coordination, and interrogate with IoT systems and use 5G for real-time remote control. And now for the conclusion, our self-charging autonomous drone is a step towards smart, independent security. It reduces manpower, increases safety, and works without interruptions. With IoT, AI, and automation, it ensures efficient surveillance, a perfect prototype for future smart security systems. Here comes my teammate to explain you the next topic.
What does our drone consist of? The drone consists of night vision, day vision, AI technologies will be updated at regular intervals and many more other things. Drone charging, docking station. Open when drone comes near it, consists of highest changing battery backup. It can camouflage anywhere, especially in the wild. With this project, we are not just flying drones, we are building the futures of intelligent security. That is wrap our presentation. We hope you found it helpful and engaging. Thank you.